He's gonna be like, I'm hungry. I don't think he could see you under that light. He's like, I feel high.